Hey, my name is Seth Corbin, and this is the video submission for our week 4 progress. Um, so on this, I was in charge of creating the player combat system. So we don't have all of our animations and stuff done, so I spent a lot of this time just working on the user interface and getting the health bar. So right now you can move around. There's a health bar that regenerates there as well, um, which you can kind of see right there. It'll just slowly regenerate. Starts at 50 and then goes to 100. There's the death sequence setup. Have tool health set up for when we get those implemented, as well as the tool selection. So that's all set up so that it'll just let you know what tool you're using. And here's the blueprints for what I got going on. Um, all the ones that are like this are just the base Unreal ones. All this stuff is the ones that I've done. So this is just FPS on screen, which is more of just for testing, making sure that our game's not buggy, which I have as well. This is the regen health, which just displays regen health on the viewport. Um, Come down here. This is for attack animation. I got this all set up so that when we get our animations going, I can just super easily implement that. Stamina bar started working on. That's that other bar that you saw, but I haven't quite got that set up yet. This is subtract health when damage is dealt. Pretty sure this logic all works. I'm currently working on the AI to like actually deal damage and see if it works. This is my regen health blueprint. Um, yeah, I mean, pretty straightforward. Tons of variables and just floats and stuff. And then this is the death code. Um, so theoretically, should stop the game. It'll over here it should play an animation, which once again we don't have it. It's that some like crouch thing. So do that. It will make it where you can't move anymore. Um, and it'll play. It'll pop up a widget as well, which I have somewhere. So here's this. I have a widget somewhere, which I set up that will make it so it'll display like, oh, you died when you die and stuff like that. So yeah, that's kind of what I got going this week. Yeah, and then we have a map as well, which isn't really a meeting, but I can display it. Um, Hold up real quick. I was in charge of all the coding for this week, so that's kind of what I've been doing. And then I got sidetracked on the UI and started building that. This is kind of our base map idea that we're going to run with here. There's some valleys and stuff like that. And we're going to do different sections and rivers running through, which I think Rue's going to start working on. So, um, yeah. So, thanks again.